What if I told you there's an AI tool that doesn't just write for you, it thinks like a human writer? Introducing Manus AI, a tool designed to not just generate text, but craft compelling stories, articles, and content with your personal voice. But is it really that powerful, or just another AI writing tool with a shiny UI? In this video, we'll dive deep into a real-world review of Manus AI, what it does, what makes it different, and whether it's worth your time and money. 1. What is Manus AI? Manus AI is an advanced AI writing assistant trained on thousands of human-written essays, articles, and creative pieces. It's marketed as your AI co-writer, not just spitting out generic paragraphs, but learning your style, understanding structure, and offering intelligent suggestions to improve your writing. Whether you're a blogger, student, YouTuber, or marketer, Manus AI claims to help you write faster, smarter, and with more personality. But does it really deliver? 2. Key features. What sets it apart? Let's talk about features. Here's what Manus AI brings to the table. Style learning. You can feed Manus your previous work, and it learns your tone, structure, and phrasing. Conso. Live co-writing. Instead of writing everything for you, it suggests as you type, like a smart co-author. AI-generated structure. Manus helps you outline your article, script, or essay before you start writing. Distraction-free editor. It's clean, minimal, and built to keep you in flow. One standout feature? Real-time rewriting suggestions, not grammar corrections, but tone shifts, storytelling tips, and even SEO tweaks. 3. My personal experience. When I tested Manus AI, I started with a YouTube script on productivity. I gave it a few samples of my older scripts, and within minutes, Manus started suggesting lines that felt like me. It wasn't robotic. It was eerily natural, like having a ghostwriter who's inside your head. But here's the catch. If you're expecting fully automated writing, this isn't the tool. Manus works best when you write, and it enhances, rewrites, or guides the content creation. It's a co-pilot, not an autopilot. 4. Strengths and weaknesses. Super accurate tone suggestions. Useful for long-form content, blogs, scripts, essays. Actually teaches you to become a better writer. Not what I didn't love. No mobile app yet. Can't generate images or videos like Jasper or Notion AI. Works best in Chrome only. And while the AI is strong, it still requires a human touch to hit the final polish. 5. Pricing. Is it worth it? Manus AI currently offers a free trial with limited usage. Paid plans start around $12 per month, depending on features. Compared to tools like Jasper or Grammarly Premium, it's affordable and more focused on deep writing, not fluff. If you're a content creator, marketer, or even a student who writes a lot, it's definitely worth testing. 6. Final verdict. So, is Manus AI worth your time? Checked. If you're looking for a tool that supports your writing instead of replacing it, if you want to write faster but still sound like yourself, and if you want to improve your tone, flow, and storytelling, then Manus AI might just be the smartest writing partner you've ever used. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to help write your next blog post or YouTube script? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a breakdown on the future of AI tools.